folks, I have a tenor scale banjo to show you today, and this is one of my favorite designs. It's not one technically on the website, but folks have been keep asking for it. It's my normal tenor scale neck, but we put it on a 10-inch rim instead of an 8-inch rim. So I think it's still kind of symmetrical and makes sense for this size and tuning and everything. But the larger rim just gives it more vibrating head, more air to move back here. Just kind of gives it a little more presence and breadth and tone. I'm not sure it's louder technically, but it's just like a richer sound, which I think is really cool. So in this case, we've got walnut everywhere and some nice curly walnut here too. Looks good in the rim too. And then I used walnut for the trim. I used walnut for the fretboard and the head plate. And then they have a custom inlay here. I'm not sure what that design means to the customer, but it's pretty cool to figure out how to do that in maple. It's a little square with a little inlaid line right there. Goatskin head, pickup, and armrest. Yeah, it's a really great sound. So this size, I think I've done 3 walnut ones and 1 koa. And if folks want more of these, you just need to ask. And also for this one, since it's a 10-inch rim, I can't use a commercially available tension hoop, so I have to make my own brass tension hoop. And I really love making them where they're soldered, but they're also overlapped and pinned. It's kind of an old-fashioned, rustic way to do it, which I think is really cool. Yeah, so that is number 925. Cheers.